What's up, YouTube? This is Chase Bristow, the Gamer Mad. Another little cooking video for you guys. Today we're making mashed potatoes. In light of the fact that my phone's storage is almost full, I'm going to make this short and sweet. Not the mashed potatoes. The video. I already have my potatoes open. I have to put my phone down somehow. So, I have my potatoes open. And got my hot water. Gonna add water to the filling line. And then stir a little bit more in there. And that's just spaghetti sauce. Now what I like to do, because I can't eat plain mashed potatoes, it's unheard of. Simply revolting to eat something so plain. And no, I do not put gravy in them. No, actually I do, but that's on special occasions. This is not a special occasion, this is a regular day. So pardon me while I get my 2 secret ingredients. They'll knock your socks off. 3 packets of Dukes. If you want to go bold and a little extra, then 4. And then 2 packets of ketchup. This is melt my mattress. Duke's is the best mayonnaise. Absolutely love it. I would say Miracle Whip is, but that shit, I don't even think that fucking shit's mayonnaise. Hell, I don't even know what Miracle Whip is. Sometimes I don't even think it's of this earth. Just so weird, so strange and bizarre. I mean, it's not a mayonnaise, it's not a salad dressing, it's just somewhere in between. And this will give it a lot of creaminess. And sometimes I'll use sour cream in my mashed potatoes. That's real good. But this gives it that extra cream. And the ketchup. God damn. just goddamn. Oh my god. I swear. Put some mayonnaise in your mashed potatoes, guys. It's fucking fantastic. I think I just creamed my pants. But we're not done yet. I put these 2 packets of ketchup in. To just send myself into food nirvana. Now, give that a good stir. Add a good little sample there. Oh God. I mean, it just tastes like my soul is being warmed over. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and as always, stay golden.